Okay, I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys how to do a section. I think that's going to be important. Let's go ahead and do maybe this north-south section. Okay, so same procedure. I'm just going to copy the sheet first. So I'm going to go copy that, reference this endpoint to that endpoint, so all my sheets are equally spaced. Press enter when done. Immediately change the title so you remember. Okay, so, and don't forget to change the scale, because the sections are going to be at a 1/4 inch scale, right? North-south section, 1/4 inch scale. Do I need a north arrow? Do I need a north arrow on a vertical drawing, on a cut, on a vertical section? No, no north arrow, because it's not a map. It's not a map I'm looking down on. It's not on my table I'm looking down on. No, no north arrow, okay? So let's go ahead and delete that information. Now I can use, I'm going to lock this really quickly. Okay, north-south section. Go ahead and scale it. Reference 1/48. I don't want reference, I want scale factor 1/48. Enter. There we go. So let's go ahead and move this guy from there to there. Okay, and do you guys remember how I center this thing? Let's do a different color line here. I do a diagonal on the sheet, and then I do an opposing diagonal on my full box because it's a perfect square. And go ahead and move from midpoint. Highlight your midpoint right here, midpoint of the diagonal, to the midpoint of the other diagonal. Now I know I am centered on the sheet. Delete, delete. North-south section, 1/4 inch. I think we're good to go. All right. I am telling you to be careful. This is a north-south section because I can see the pedestal. If in my section I can see this, and in my section I can see this, and my other two windows here, then it's a north-south section. It's a north-south section. Okay? This happens every semester. Somebody shows what's a north-south section, but then they write east-west. You can't turn the planet around, like you can't change the poles. We're not that powerful. Okay? Please just be, and if you're not sure, ask me. Okay? Or ask a friend. If you're confused by it, please ask a friend. Okay, all I'm trying to do here is to remind you guys that your north-south section will most probably have and should have 3 windows, right? And they will not all be the same size probably. Am I correct? So now this is a north-south section because the sun is coming from the south. Right? Hitting the entire object, hitting this face and this face. And it's aligned with the window. And the sun is coming from the south, so it's a north-south section. Very good. I think we got enough info on this. I think we all get it. Please proceed by making the rest of your drawings. You have, what do you have left? 2 more drawings. You have the perspective, and you have the east-west section. Am I right? Perspective and the east-west section. Make your own sheets. Place them on there. Okay? So we'll do that as homework for next time.